We're on our dove hunt. Me and Don up here. We hadn't fired a shot yet, but I gotta show y'all this. I just couldn't stand it. This is our, they call it a morning dove, but you can't hunt them here. They're only hunt them in the evening time. First of all, can you see my decoys right there? They actually look like a dove. Here's another one over here. It looks like a dove. See that? Okay, let's go over here and check out Mr. Don's decoys. These big-headed boobies. There ain't no dove gonna want to come over here and land with these because they're afraid they might catch it. Look at that. Can you see that? I mean, there ain't no dove would want to lie down with that one. I don't know what that was. Hello, Mr. Don. Hey. Yep. There's Don.
Yeah.